Yeah man, we have some fresh coconut juice, you know, coconut water with the coconut jelly. You know, the inside of it. Yeah man. You know, get better than that. Me answer guys. Yeah man, but before me jump in on the video guys, just wanna big up on them subscribers them, you know. Thanks for watching the video, them liking and sharing and subscribing. And guys, if you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Right, that's all. Yeah, right there on the screen. Yeah man, so that you will be notified every time I post a new video. Alright, so today again with the Kualao, you know, Thai cuisine, you know. We're gonna check out some different dishes again and make it know what I go on. Alright, so stay tuned. Alright guys, so I ordered a chicken wonton soup with some chicken wings, and let me show you the hot chili oil and all the spicy condiments that they gave us. Alright guys, so look, as you can see, you have some sugar, you know, obviously that's going to add a little sweetness to whatever dish you're having. Chili pepper, you know, extra spice, you know, jalapeno pickles, and hot chili oil. I added some hot chili oil to my soup, my chicken wonton soup. You know, give it a nice little mix. I'm gonna do a test in a minute and let you all know how it is. Alright guys, just stay tuned. Chicken wonton soup guys, real deal. Alright guys, so this is it. Ooh, that's it. Alright, and it's hot. It's hot guys. Wow, that hot chili oil is kicking. Spicy. Wow. Hey man, this is my new little Thai cuisine spot, right? You know, not far away from the house, you know. If you want to turn up the spice a notch guys, add some jalapeno pickles to it, you know, some chili peppers, add some sweetness to it. Alright, so we're gonna add some pickles, some jalapeno pickles. Drop it right in. Add some chili pepper. And we're gonna add a little sugar to it, just to balance the flavor a little bit.
This is basically dry fry, right?
Stir it up. So we're gonna stir it up a little bit, guys.
Nobody uses that term. Dry fry.
I'm gonna give you all a close-up. 1 second. Yes, guys. So this is a close-up. Yes, yes. Look at that. Look at that broth. So the chicken wonton soup, guys, is pretty much some green onions, you know, with chicken and also chicken broth, you know. And like I said, I added my own spice level to it, you know. Yeah, customize it yourself, guys. And for the guys, and for my entree, I ordered some stir-fried curry duck with white rice, you know, and I can't wait to try that, guys. But until then, just stay tuned, continue to watch the video, guys. I'm gonna enjoy my soup. Oh my god, guys, let me tell you, the spice ain't no joke. Ooh. Ooh. Oh my god. The flavor, guys, I'm telling you, salty, sweet, spicy. This is right on point. Just what I needed, you know?
Hello.
Yes, guys, so right about now, we'll deal with the entree. You know, we have some curry duck with white rice. Yeah, the curry duck, you know, it comes with some sauteed carrots, you know, onion, and a few other spices. So we're gonna pour everything on one plate, mix it up together, and then enjoy it, you know. Over here, so we have some ladna, That's like a stir fry, flat noodles with some shrimp. Got some chili oil. She's pouring some chili oil on top. All right. Let's get everything all situated. Rice. And we have our curry duck. All right.
All of the noodle them different. That noodle different from this one. And
This good,
yeah,
sweet.
mine too.
Yes, guys, the spice level ain't no joke right now. See that? I'm sweating. So we're gonna check out the rice. Freshly cooked rice, you know, covered in a whole, you know, bathtub of like liquid curry, coconut milk, everything submerged together. This is the duck right here, curry duck. As you can see, guys, the carrot is freshly cooked as well. It's crunchy, you know, bunch of flavor, guys. That's the curry duck right here. So this is a yellow curry. They have the option of I think red curry, green, and a few other styles. All right, so you can have it any style you want.
I'll see if it's more spicy than mine. Go ahead. Go ahead. You have to spin the far cherry.
Alright, so we're gonna cool down the spice level a little bit, guys. It's getting spicy in here, it's getting hot. Alright, I'm gonna cool down the heat. I had to call a fire truck for a second, you know. It's that spicy, that hot. You know, wash it down with some water. You know, cool down the body a little bit. Yeah.
Here one have